Easy to use, take the strain out of poaching the perfect egg for breakfast or brunch with ExcelSteel's bestseller 2-cup egg poacher. Poaching eggs are made simple with the included instructions. Durable and long-lasting, designed with rust-resistant stainless steel to ensure durability, reliability, and long-lasting use in the kitchen. Perfect for everyday use. Multi-purpose use, doubles as a regular cooking pan so you can be efficient and versatile in the kitchen and get back to cooking to create a wider selection of foods without needing a second pan. Delicious breakfast and brunch, impress friends and family with a wonderfully cooked weekend brunch. Create delicious meals such as eggs benedict, toasted English ham muffin, or a light morning snack. Easy cleanup, after creating an appetizing meal, cleanup is made as easy with the included non-stick egg cups. All parts included are dishwasher safe. Are you looking to create a deliciously healthy and nutritious breakfast or brunch? Look no further than our ExcelSteel 2-cup egg poacher. Part of our best-selling egg poacher selection, this egg poacher will take the strain out of poaching the perfect egg. You'll be able to impress your friends or family with brunch or breakfast get-together. Create a variety of breakfast meals that are healthy and nutritious, such as eggs benedict, toasted English ham muffin, or a poached egg on toast. Use the pot as a second cooking pan to get more done in the kitchen. Designed with stainless steel to ensure durability and long-lasting use. All parts included are dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. At last, poached eggs at home. I got the eggs just right on the second try. I had to reduce the heat and cook a minute longer than on the first try, to get my desired results, pictured. I am thrilled to finally have poached eggs at home. This little set is super easy to use and it literally wipes clean. The fourth photo shows the set after a damp wipe with a paper towel, following use. I do brush a small bit of oil in the cups and gently coax the eggs loose, with a narrow and thin rubber spatula. Works like a dream. I recommend hand washing, not dishwasher. Also, if your water is hard it may leave spots in the pan. I used tap water on the first try and filtered zero water thereafter. Zero water leaves no residue. Buy with confidence.